Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we dive into the world of electric vehicles and clean energy solutions. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're talking about a game-changing development in the automotive industry. Imagine being able to take an existing electric car and turn it into a plug-in hybrid on the fly. Sounds like science fiction, right? But that's exactly what Powertrain is proposing with its new drop-in replacement for front-wheel drive EVs. This innovative company, backed by Renault, Geely, and Aramco, claims to have developed a compact, integrated powertrain concept that can seamlessly integrate onto a battery electric vehicle platform. The result? A hybrid powertrain system that reduces complexity significantly, making it easier for manufacturers to build both electric and hybrid vehicles on the same assembly line. But what's even more exciting is the flexibility of this new powertrain technology. Powertrain's future hybrid concept can work as a range extender for high-voltage batteries in electric cars, while its integrated transmission can provide power to the front wheels or combine with electrically powered rear axles for an all-wheel drive configuration. The implications are huge. Smaller automakers with limited resources could turn to Powertrain for assistance in transforming their upcoming affordable electric cars into hybrids, potentially calming concerns from first-time EV drivers about battery range anxiety. And let's not forget the environmental benefits. By combining the efficiency of electric vehicles with the flexibility of hybrid powertrains, we can create a more sustainable mobility future. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would anyone want to retrofit an already excellent electric car? But for Powertrain, this is about solving a bigger problem. We're shifting towards a technology-neutral world, says Maciej Janani, CEO of Powertrain. Different markets and applications, each pursuing their own sustainable mobility journey. The company's vision is to deliver full hybrid powertrain systems that seamlessly integrate onto battery electric vehicle platforms, allowing OEMs to offer powertrain diversity with minimal disruption to the production process. We're seeing a lot of excitement around this new technology, and it's not just limited to the automotive industry. Powertrain has forged partnerships with Brazil's Hibdor to create commercial marine engines capable of running on ethanol fuel, making them one of the world's first flex-fuel marine powertrains designed for use in yachts. The possibilities are endless, from powering boats and yachts to heavy-duty trucks and industrial equipment. And let's not forget the potential for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting sustainable mobility globally. As we look at this game-changing development, it's clear that Powertrain has all the bases covered. Whether you're an automaker looking to diversify your powertrain offerings or a consumer eager to upgrade from an electric car, there's a solution available here. But as with any emerging technology, there are questions about how long this window of opportunity will remain open. Will manufacturers be able to adapt quickly enough to meet demand? Can we scale up production while maintaining quality and affordability? These are the kinds of questions that Electro Drive News will be exploring in depth as we continue to cover this story. For now, it's clear that Powertrain is leading the charge towards a more sustainable future. That's all for today's episode of Electro Drive News. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of electric vehicles and clean energy solutions.